Time for Conquer Your Fears. Around 20 million Americans are terrified of heights, and ABC's Mars Gavin-Campbell is with a GMA viewer who's facing that fear head on and beating it live right here on our show. Good morning, Mara. How's it going?
Michael, good morning. We're at a place called Fearless Flyers, and the name could not be more appropriate. Jane has been climbing this ladder all morning, and she is about to face her ultimate fear. But first, let's take a look at her journey to get there. 35-year-old Jane Fisher loves adventure. She's into sports, hiking, and even competitive races. But at home with her husband, John, in Atlanta, there's one obstacle she can't overcome.
You're doing awesome, Jane.
No, I don't know if I can go up another one.
Yeah.
Jane is terrified of heights.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not able to climb more than 4 rungs up this ladder.
I freeze, I get sweaty palms. I'm starting to get sweaty palms thinking about it.
But now Jane is ready to face her fear head on.
Nervous, excited, and ready to conquer my fear. New York, here we come.
She goes to Trapeze School, New York to be treated by Dr. Ellen Koch of Eastern Michigan University, who specializes in one-session exposure therapy. The method based on the idea that if you repeatedly run away at the height of anxiety, you actually reinforce your fear. But if you stay put and face the fear little by little, the anxiety will eventually subside.
What's the process for treatment?
We'll have her take one step at a time. We'll let her sort of pace treatment. And so when she's ready, she'll take the next step up the ladder, and we'll go one step at a time till she gets to the top.
Dr. Cook believes this therapy is so effective that Jane's lifelong fear of heights can be cured in just 3 hours. The end goal? Climb this 25-foot ladder and then swing from the trapeze.
All right, you can do this.
First, a baseline test. She makes it up 6 rungs until the anxiety is unbearable.
Oh, it's shaking really bad.
With Dr. Cook and her instructor Annie coaching her on, Jane slowly begins her climb to the top. But she breaks down, not sure if she can do it.
It's really high.
Okay, that's all right.
I'm really scared to get over there.
She finally makes it to the platform, but that's when the fear becomes overwhelming.
I don't want to let go of this ladder,
No,
Annie.
do not have to let go of that ladder.
And Jane has to question whether or not she can actually complete the challenge and swing from the trapeze.
She is so brave. She inspires me. We saw just how hard it was for her to get up that ladder. That really was a difficult challenge, but she did it. So now all that's left is that final step, Michael, flying through the air on that trapeze bar.
All right. And Jane, we see you up there. You look like you're ready to go. How you feeling right now?
Michael, I'm ready to fly.
All right. Well, good luck, Jane.
So we heard it. She's ready to fly. All right, it's about that time. Jane, are you ready? It's time. Conquer your fear.
So I'm here with Dr. Cook now. How is it possible to treat a lifelong fear in just a few hours?
Yeah, you know, for Jane, she was very motivated to overcome her fear, and that was really helpful for her. And it was really important for her to learn about the anxiety process, and that's important for her to confront her fear and let the anxiety come down, and that she'll be fine with that, as opposed to trying to fight it or to avoid it had she had done in the past.
So confront it head on. Don't
Correct.
avoid it. And I'm
That's
here with
right.
the woman of the hour now, Jane. You did it. How do you feel right now?
I'm feeling awesome. Yeah, I feel fearless. Not fearless, but I just feel good.
But you conquered your fear. What was the
I
hardest
did.
part?
The hardest part is on the platform, getting from the ladder to the platform, and just trying to reassure yourself that there's a net underneath. And then from there, it helps the anxiety go down.
Yeah, wow.
Well, Jane, I got to say that that was rehearsal. Are you ready to do it again?
Maybe.
Maybe. But, you know, it really was remarkable.
Yes,
it really was
I am
remarkable to see you climb the ladder and face your fears and just take it at your pace. I think a lot of people can learn so much from that. And we want to, from us here at the desk and everyone in our audience, everyone at home, we want to congratulate you because you have faced your fears. And we're very happy and very proud of you.
Thank you. I haven't done this without everybody, so thank you.
We're back now with Conquer Your Fear. Jane Fisher just overcame her terror of heights live right here on the air, jumping off a trapeze platform 21 feet in the air. Let's go back to Jane tomorrow at Fearless Flyers in Connecticut.
How you feeling?
Feeling good, Mara.
Yeah. Well, and we got something for you.
Thank you.
A little t-shirt,
Yes.
right?
I love it.
But we didn't want you to just go home and say, I conquered my fear and all I got was a stupid t-shirt. So we have something extra for you. We also
this
have
is awesome.
this trophy because you conquered your fear. On
Thank you
GMA.
so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Michael, wasn't she amazing?
We are amazed. Congratulations, Jane, again, one more time. And Mara, thank you for bringing this to us and hopefully help somebody out there conquer their fears as well and not be afraid just to, as you said, fly. Jane said fly. We'll remember that.
Yeah.
So congratulations and good luck conquering that fear. So proud of you.